So guys, I wanted to show you something that I think is really super cool. So I've been playing around with a social media API called Blotato, and linking it to one of the orchestration layers that we call NA10. I found an article about an MIT study that says that AI can already replace 11.7% of the US workforce. So I just sent myself a little note that says, what does this mean for humanity? And what happened after that is, I'll just make myself a bit smaller. So what happened is that I sent myself that quick note, and an AI agent using ChatGPT 5.1 basically wrote a thread that would then automatically post to Twitter and Threads. Now, I will show you that right now on my Threads account. So here is the thread, literally just posted a few minutes ago. It took about 12 minutes for it all to work, but if you look at this, it's like literally just built this automatically from that one statement that I gave it. Amazing. So, I mean, I've been experimenting with Threads and Twitter because I don't really ever post on them. So I thought I would find an automation that could do it for me. So that's what I've been working on the last couple of days. And I just think that's going to be so useful if you want to build a following without having the chance to really think about what you're writing all the time. Because there's a lot of news that you can report on, and AI is more than capable of coming up with a coherent set of threads that you can then post automatically. So I think that's really awesome. It didn't really work for Twitter, unfortunately, because one of the tweets was apparently a little bit too long. So that will need a bit of tweaking in the prompt here. But I mean, you can do this for any platform. Another thing that I've been experimenting with is this particular agent, which is where we have a trigger that's scheduled every day to look at it at 10 a.m., for instance, and it will go to your favorite website. It will look up all the news stories and pick the ones that it thinks are the most interesting and more likely to go viral. And it will basically use two different agents, one to write a long caption, so it gives you quite a meaty output, and then the other one writes a short caption, so like a headline. You can then link that to a digital twin app like HeyGen, or you can directly link it to your social media account. So what you'll get then is things like this, actual replies of tweets that your AI has written, like this. It's insane. Like, it's all automatic, completely cool. Perfect for business owners if you have no time for social media, but you still want to be reminding people that you're alive and that you do stuff. And this is just an example using a news site. You can put any kind of information in here. You can use articles that you've written. You can repurpose videos that you've created, so on YouTube and TikTok, Threads or Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, whatever you want. And it's just such a cool way of doing it. So I hope that was interesting and useful. And let me know what you think in the comments, whether you think you would try this. Thanks for watching.